16 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 2. 16 plus 4 will give us 20. Then we have 20 times 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 20 times 4. 20 times 4 will give us 80. 80 is wrong because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our exponent because it comes first before multiplication and addition. Our exponent is 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we have 16 plus 4 times 4. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to solve our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we have 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16 is equals to 32. 32 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.